Did you know? Before alarm clocks, people hired humans to wake them up. In the 1800s, especially in England, factory workers had to wake up very early. Since clocks were rare and expensive, towns hired people called knocker-uppers. They worked the streets at dawn, using long sticks or pea shooters to tap bedroom windows until workers woke up. Once the person was awake, the knocker-upper moved on to the next house. When cheap alarm clocks arrived, this unusual job quietly disappeared. Did you know this? Now you know.